Okay, so this is how people are using TikTok for affiliate marketing. The first step is to go to an affiliate marketplace such as clickbank.com. You can find products to promote in many categories here in ClickBank, or you can become an affiliate for Amazon as well. You can scroll down and you'll find a link in which you can become an affiliate. So check this out. You can click here, become an affiliate. You can sign up to recommend Amazon products and earn commissions. This is another example of an affiliate marketplace, share a sale. Once you have selected your product, the next step is to create a TikTok account. For example, this TikTok account is creating this type of content to promote this link. This video has 45.8 views. This one, the second one, 15.8 views. So as you can see, guys, so these videos are getting a good amount of views. Okay, now we're going to see an example of people promoting Amazon products. Okay, so this person has 3.1 million followers and he's doing all kinds of Amazon reviews. And if I click this link, it's going to open this page. And if I click here where it says my Amazon storefront, it's going to open his shop. And if I buy any products from this page, this person is going to earn a commission. One important thing, guys, about doing TikTok in affiliate marketing is that it requires work on creating all this content so you can drive traffic to your affiliate links. And if you're wondering about the niches you can select or choose to start creating content, check this out. You just need to write on Google affiliate marketing niches and check this out. You can choose wherever niche you want: travel, technology, exercise, gardening, hobbies, pet, etc. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.